Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make potato egg salad. Yes, so if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and you're very welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support. So go ahead and jump right into this recipe today, which is potato egg salad. So guys, this is the few of the ingredients I will be using. I have green onions, that's spring onions. I have some celery. It's pretty dirty right now, but I'll go ahead and wash them and clean them up and cut them up. And I have some potatoes, and then the last is onions. So after everything has been chopped up the way it is right now, so this is the celery, and this is the green onions, and the previous one is the white onions and potatoes. So I have the water boiling for a couple of minutes now, so I'll go ahead and pour in the potatoes that are already chopped up and just give that a little stir. And I've covered the pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So while it's cooking, I have my egg on the other side. So I'll be using a couple of eggs, about 3 or so. I'm not going to be using all of the eggs that I just showed you. So the potato is completely cooked right now. You don't want it to overcook. So what I will do, I'll go ahead and drain the water out. So once it's cooked, you have to drain out the water, and the next step is to make sure that you add cold water to cool it off, to stop the cooking process, because if it's still hot, it's still cooking. So what I did was just to add water to that, so the cooking process will stop, to cool off the temperature. So I went ahead to run a cold water over, just gently sprinkle cold water over the hot potato that we just finished boiling, because we want to make sure that it's cold. That's the goal, to make sure that it's completely cold to room temperature. So right now it's feeling pretty much cold, so I'll go ahead and set that aside. So here are the rest of the ingredients. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mustard, honey mustard. I'm using honey mustard. So and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'm using 3 eggs. So out of the 5 eggs that I showed to you guys, I'm using 3 of them. I chopped them up pretty good. So the next part is to combine everything together. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. So I went ahead and add the mayonnaise inside the bowl, and I also add the mustard. So this is a honey mustard, like I told you guys before. So you can use any kind of mustard of your choice. You can use regular mustard, honey mustard, or I don't know, just whatever you feel like using. So I added some onions, some chopped up yellow onions, and I'll be adding the celery. So the celery is gonna be it's gonna help this have some crunchiness. When you chew it, you feel the crunchiness in it, and it tastes very good as well. So I'm adding some of the green onions. So I just saved a little bit. I saved a little bit just to garnish it at the end of it. So once everything is combined, I'll go ahead and add my egg, the minced egg. So you can always feel free to add any any favorite fruits or vegetable of your choice. You can definitely do that. I wanted to add some pineapple. I'm like, okay, I'll go ahead and skip that. I'll do that maybe next time. I'll show you guys how you can use pineapple as well. So right now everything is combined. I went ahead and add the cooked potatoes, and here we are. Everything has been well combined together. So I'll go ahead and give it a little taste to see, because when I was boiling the potatoes I did not add any salt, so I decided to like add a little bit of salt. So this salt, you can add the salt when you're boiling the potato, or you can add it at this point that I'm adding. So it depends on, this is just personal preference. Whenever you feel like adding it, you can go ahead and add that up. So I'm adding some black pepper. Yeah, so it will need a little bit of black pepper, and I'll go ahead and mix up everything pretty well. So right now it's well combined. I'll go ahead and give it another taste. So it tastes so perfect right now. I will just be like eating and eating. It tastes so good, and the crunchiness, you can easily hear how crunchy those celeries that was inside, and the onions as well. The crunchiness is like something else, and it tastes amazing. So guys, this is a very quick and easy recipe that you can just put together in less than 10 minutes. Yes, so easy, so easy. So I'll go ahead and garnish this with the leftover green onions that I saved. So I'll go ahead and just garnish that. This is optional. If you're not a fan of green onions, you can totally skip that part, but if you do, you'll really love that. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. So this is it. It looks so good, and believe me guys, it tastes amazing. It tastes so good. So especially adding those celery and the onions, it was so good. The crunchiness is something else, guys. It tastes so good as well. I don't know if you guys like celery. I don't used to like celery before, but after trying it once, I'm like, oh my god, this is so nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this video. There will be more of my videos coming, so please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas to you all.